Mangia, pasta puttanesca, the working class pasta. You got the briny capers, you got the earthiness of the olives and the sweetness of the tomatoes. Let's get into it. I'm getting hungry. Garlic ground turkey. Drop some olive oil in our saute pan. Now that's gonna help us brown the turkey a little bit. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, let's get that in the pan. And of course, seasoning it. Boom. So I'm just chopping up the turkey really well. I'm just gonna get it browned. I'm gonna get some of the oils out of it. Then we're gonna go in with our sliced garlic. Now, our sliced garlic has just cooked absolutely perfect with all that ground turkey. Next, we're going in with our tomatoes, our capers, our olives, and our tarragon. Let's take this, cross the street, and go to Flavortown. Okay, first, I'm going to go with the capers. Olives. Tarragon. Get this out a quick stir. And our tomatoes. I'm going to go in with our Irby's lamb roast and barbecue crust, which is a beautiful spice with this. It's rosemary, it's ginger, it's allspice. It's really delightful. I'm going to go a teaspoon. And then I also have about a 1/4 cup of our reserve pasta water that I cooked our pasta in. Just a little bit there. Just give it a little moisture, and it's starting to come together beautifully. Now that I have all my ingredients in this beautiful pasta, we're going to season it again. So a little bit of kosher salt. Some black pepper. We put our crust mixed in there from Irby's already. I can smell it. It smells briny. It smells earthy. Yummy. Now the Clarissa 22 is 100% versatile and goes with everything, and especially picks up on brinier flavors. Let's grab our pasta and our parsley. Take it over here and get it in the mixture. A little parsley. Okay, we got our pasta in there. Now we're just really twirling it around, making sure all the ingredients are mixing with it. Okay, all the pasta is really nicely coated. Let's go in with some more extra virgin olive oil and we are done. I would say about 3 tablespoons just to bring it to Flavortown. Yummy. All right. Okay, I landed the pasta. It smells amazing. I'm gonna fold a little bit of some grana padano. You can use Parmesan cheese, Reggiano, whatever you have at home. Get a little bit in there. And just fold it in. Okay, let's get this on a plate. I'm getting hungry. I think my camera guy is getting hungry too. All right. Delightful. Take some of those nice little bits. Okay, now I'm going to top it with some more grana padano. And some extra virgin olive oil. Yummy.